When business going to prepare financial statement, sole proprietorships, partnerships, and company, any organization, at the end of the accounting period, inventory available. Therefore, when business going to adjust inventory under cost of sales calculation based on matching concepts, cost value of inventory should be included. And under current assets, in the statement of financial position, as inventory should be included, lower value of cost and net realizable value based on prudency concepts. Based on matching concept and cost of sales calculation, as inventory should be included cost value of inventory, but under current assets, based on prudency concepts, lower value of cost and net realizable value should be included. Therefore, now I am going to discuss how to calculate low amount of cost and NRV, net realizable value, based on LKAS 2. Based on LKAS 2, when we are going to calculate low amount of cost and NRV, there are two methods can be applied. First one, item by item basis or group basis can be applied. Therefore, now I am going to discuss how to calculate closing inventory based on item by item basis and group basis. And those are the thing included cost of inventory, elements of cost of inventory, cost of purchase, cost of conversion, and other cost incurred in bringing the inventory to their present location and condition. Those are the thing included cost of inventory, elements of cost of inventory. Cost of purchase, it is include purchase price and load and unloading cost, import duties, transportation cost. If it has given trade discount should be deduct, and cost of conversion available in the manufacturing accounts. Raw material converted into the finished goods. Therefore, cost of conversion included direct labor, direct other expense, as well as production overheads, and other cost incurred in bringing the inventory to their present location and condition. Those are the thing included cost of inventory, elements of cost of inventory. And net realizable value. Net realizable value can be calculated estimate selling price minus estimate cost of completion, as well as estimate cost necessary to make sales. Further completion cost, estimate cost of completion, as well as estimate cost necessary to make the sales should be deduct from estimate selling price. This is the way you have to calculate net realizable value, and this is the way you have to calculate cost of inventory, elements of cost, cost of purchase, cost of conversion, and other cost. Then financial position as inventory should be included lower value of cost and net realizable value. It can be calculated by using item by item basis as well as group basis. This one definitely they ask paper. Therefore, now I am going to discuss how to calculate inventory based on item by item basis as well as group basis. Now see this example. It has given group available soap as well as toothpaste. Think about type of product. It has given soap A, B, C, like Lifebuoy, Sunlight, like that. Those are the item. And toothpaste also given P and Q. Those are the item. And it has given number of quantity also. Those are the quantity available at the store. And it cost value is given cost per units. It is included cost of purchase, cost of conversion, and other cost. If it has given separately cost of purchase, cost of conversion, and other cost, its total value should be considered as a unit cost. And net realizable value also given per units. If it has not given, sometime it has given estimate selling price and estimate selling expense as well as estimate further completion cost. If it has given separately estimate selling price minus estimate selling expense as well as estimate cost of completion should be deducted. Then given in this example, there are two category, two group it has given. Those are the item, type of product, items, and it has given number of quantity and cost per unit is given, net realizable value per unit is given. Recommend first one, they ask how much of value should be included under cost of sales calculation as a closing stock. Based on matching concepts, cost value should be included. And second recommend, they ask how much of in value should be included under current assets as a closing inventory based on item by item basis. And second one also they ask based on group basis. Right now I'm going to discuss from the beginning item by item basis. Right, this is the way you have to calculate. It has given item is given and number of quantity is given, cost per unit is given. First one you have to calculate total cost value. Total cost value should be calculated as well as total NRV should be calculated. Then item by item basis, lower value can be calculated. Total cost value and total NRV. It has given unit cost. After that, think about low amounts. From the beginning, I am going to discuss item by item basis. Therefore, here total cost. Here total net realizable value NRV equal net realizable value NRV. Net realizable value. Therefore, here you have to calculate total net realizable value. Total NRV. Short form NRV. That is a net realizable value. Quantity also given. Here low amounts. Lower amounts of cost and NRV. Net realizable value. From the beginning, I am going to discuss item by item basis. Item by item basis. Right. First one, take the cost value. Quantity is given 800 into 65, 52,000. And next one, 1,200 into 78. Therefore, 93,600. Next one, 1,500 into 82. 1,500 into 82. 123,000. Cost value should be calculated based on matching concept. Under cost of sales calculation should be include cost value. And next one also 800 into 180. 144,000. Then NRV also should be calculated. Think about quantity is given, unit cost is given. Quantity into unit cost can be calculated total cost. And total NRV also same way. It has given net realizable value per unit is given. Therefore, into quantity can be calculated total value. Here 48,000 and 79 into 1,200. 94,800. 94,800. Think about NRV per unit into quantity. Then 1,500 into 80. 120,000. Then 140 into 600. 84,000. And 800 into 185. Therefore, 148,000. Then think about under cost of sales calculation based on matching concepts. Total cost value should be included under cost of sales calculation. Then take total cost value 52,000 plus 93,600 plus 123 plus 90,000 plus 144. Therefore, 502,600. That is the value should be included under cost of sales calculation as inventory based on matching concepts. Based on matching concepts. But financial position should be included low value of cost and NRV. Therefore, now I am going to calculate based on item by item basis. Then think about A. So that is a group. Item is A. Therefore, it cost value equal 52,000. You have to compare with this one and cost value. And this is NRV. Therefore, low amount equal 48,000. 40 item by item. And B also cost value equal 93,600. But NRV equal 94,800. Therefore, low amount equal 93,600. Here low amount equal 48,000. And think about C, low amount equal NRV 120,000. And toothpaste P item cost value 90,000, NRV equal 84,000. Low value think about. And Q 144,000, 148. Therefore, low amount equal 144. Therefore, take item by item basis low amounts. Here 93,600 and here 120,000. Here 84,000. Here 144,000. Therefore, take total amount of low value. That is the value should be included financial position based on item by item basis. Therefore, 48,000 plus 93,000 plus 600 plus 120,000 plus 84,000 plus 144,000. Therefore, low amounts item by item basis, low amount it total value equal 489,600. Therefore, this is the value should be include financial position as an inventory based on prudency concepts. Therefore, they ask the common one, how much value should be included? How much of value should be included under cost of sales calculation? Under cost of sales calculation, based on matching concepts, cost value of inventory equal 502,600. This is the value. 502,600 should be included under cost of sales calculation based on matching concepts. Based on matching concepts. And there's how much of value should be included under current asset as a closing inventory based on item by item basis. Therefore, based on item by item basis should be included. Think about item by item. Low value equal, it total amounts 489,600. Therefore, rupees 489,600. This is a value should be included financial position based on prudency concepts. And think about item by item basis. Item by item basis. Then stock written off. Think about this is value should be included financial position and this is value should be included under cost of sales calculation. Then difference value should be included under other expense as a stock written off. This is the item by item basis. Now think about group basis. When business going to apply group basis based on the same information, think about based on same information. Think about group basis. Group basis. Therefore, this is the groups. Business can be applied item by item basis and group basis. Therefore, here no need to calculate like that. Think about group is soap as well as toothpaste. Think about total cost value we have calculated already. It has given unit cost and quantity. Quantity into unit cost, total cost can be calculated. And quantity into NRV, total NRV can be calculated. Now you have to calculate each group total cost value and total NRV. Each group total cost value. Think about soap total cost value 52,000 plus 93,600 plus 123,000. Take total value. Therefore, soap it cost value equal 268,600. So this is important thing. As well as you have to calculate it NRV total amount also. Quantity into unit NRV can be calculated total NRV. Take it total value 48,000 plus 94,800 plus 120,000. Therefore, it total NRV. So 100, 260, 2,800. This is the total NRV category of soap group. Then take it low amounts. Think about soap. That is a group. There are 3 items available. Its cost value should be calculated into quantity into unit cost price as well as unit NRV into quantity total NRV can be calculated. Then think about soap. That is a category group. It cost value and it NRV. Then compare with it low amounts. Therefore, here low amount equal 262,800. That is the value should be included. So as well as toothpaste also same way. Think about it cost value. Quantity is given, unit cost is given, total cost should be calculated. Then it total value equal 234,000. It cost value 90 plus 144. And think about it NRV total amount also. It has given unit NRV into quantity 84,000 plus 148,000. Therefore, 232,000. Therefore, now think about group basis. Think about soap total cost value equal 268,600. Total NRV equal 262,800. Therefore, low amount equal 262,800. And think about toothpaste also total cost value equal 234,000 and total NRV equal only toothpaste 232,000. Therefore, low amount equal 232,000. Therefore, 232,000 should be considered as inventory from toothpaste. Now think total cost value. Think value should be included under cost of sales calculation. Under cost of sales calculation, total cost value. Total cost value equal 268,600 plus 234,000. Therefore, 268,600 plus 234,000. Therefore, total cost value not change 502,600. Item by item basis also same value. But think about financial person should be included. Low amounts. Soap low amount equal 262,800. But toothpaste low amount equal 232,000. It total value 262,800 plus 232,000. Therefore, 494,800. Then this is the value should be included under cost of sales calculation. Under cost of sales calculation, under current assets. Under current assets should be included this value, but under cost of sales calculation this value, then difference value is stock written off. Think about difference between item by item basis as well as group basis. This is item by item basis. Try to recognize difference between item by item basis as well as group basis. Think what when business going to calculate inventory, there are two methods can be applied. This is item by item basis and this is group basis. Cost value is not changed. Based on matching concept, cost value should be included under cost of sales calculation. But financial position should be included low value. When we are going to calculate low value, can be applied two methods. This is the item by item basis and this is a group. Soap is a group. Think about it low amounts. And toothpaste is a group. Think about it low amounts. Then this is the low amount total value. Then this is the value should be included financial position as inventory based on prudency concepts. Group basis. Therefore, third one they ask how much of value should be included under current asset as a closing inventory based on group basis. Therefore, here value equal rupees 494,800. Think about those are called accounting policies. Those are the accounting policies. Business can be applied item by item basis or group basis based on prudency concepts. Then if there's stock written off, you have to compare with cost value and low amounts. Here differential should be stock written off. When business going to apply item by item basis, here differential should be considered as stock written off. When business going to apply group basis, therefore here differential should be considered as a stock written off. Think about item by item. Here total value no need to calculate. Total NRV no need to calculate. When business going to apply item by item. Total cost value, total NRV think about. Then it low amount should be considered. But group basis, SOP is a group, it total cost, it total NRV, then think about low amounts. Toothpaste is a group, it total cost value, it total NRV, think about low amounts. Then take low value, it total amounts. Total cost value. Think about prudency concepts. Item by item basis as well as group basis. Inventory. All the business available inventory. Therefore, you have to know how to calculate how what are the things include cost of inventory, elements of cost of inventory, cost of purchase, cost of conversion, and other costs. And think how to calculate net realizable value. Then you have to know how to calculate low amounts based on item by item basis as well as group basis. Very important theory.